Hi everybody, it is time to make good on the promise to give away my old scopes. As you can see here, the new Keysight MSO X6000 6 gigahertz scope is safely on my bench, and I've been able to play with it just enough to know that it all works, and it's clearly going to replace this this Regal, and off screen here there is the tech scope that are being given away. So here's a quick outline of the kind of the final rules. This is something I did not exactly consult legal help to sort out this contest. This is something that I kind of did off the top of my head. So the entrants to the contest are the ones that signed up before the Keysight contest was over. That was not explicitly written in the rules, but it was I was trying to imply that, even though it wasn't explicitly written. So we have 24 entrants in this, which is a pretty short list, and what I decided to do is I'm going to pick everybody out in order, and the first person picked gets to choose which scope that they want, and the second place person gets whatever scope is left over. And I'm going to continue to pick just in case somebody can't deal with the shipping, or they've got a customs problem, or they've got some other issue. So I'll just keep on picking, and the first two people in the list that make their choices get the scope that is assigned to them, and I hope that that's simple and clear enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these names, which I actually just physically printed out on a piece of paper. I'm going to put them into my fancy hat, and we're going to pick the list. Here we go. Okay, the first name in the hat. I'm not going to pronounce these. Some of them are pronounceable, a lot of them are not, so I'm not going to bother, but you'll be able to see them. Oops. This is exciting. 24 names going down. Like literally being pulled out of a hat. How exciting. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the sponsor of this contest, Keysight Oscilloscopes, who made this possible by making the very challenging and difficult decision to give away not one 6000X, but to give away 3, one of which is sitting to my left and making this whole thing possible. So very, very thankful for Keysight and the way they handled the contest. You know, me being the recipient of a brand new scope is it's beyond exciting. I am super happy about this. And if the EEVblog did not rally around me and have a huge conversation, I don't think Keysight would have made such a decision. And that's why this is happening. Thank you to the EEVbloggers. Thank you to everybody who signed up for this part of the little contest. And our last one. Ta-da! Okay, so we're going to shake it up. Shake, shake, shake it up. Let's see if we can go a little bit wider. This is it. Okay, nothing has changed. No editing, no visual effects. I'm going to kind of work it out. We're going to pull out the first one. Gets to make the first choice. And it is... you know what? I did not do such a swell thing by timing it. There's our first placer. I'm not going to try to say it. It doesn't matter. It's like some sort of a screen name. And second place. There you go. And there you have it. Those are the first two. Let's see how we do. Number 3. Mixing this all up. I have to promise I'm not seeing who I'm picking up here. Just have to believe me on that one, I guess. 4, 5, 6. Hope by now we have a taker that's upside down, but you can figure it out. How many is that? 7? 11. 12. 13. 17, 18, 19, upside down, and I'm killing myself with a light. 20, 21, 22, there should be 2 more in here. 23, oops, gee whiz, and 24. Alright, that's everybody. The hat is empty. Alright everybody, there you have it. The list has been made. I'm going to post this and just kind of wait for contact from at least the first 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever, try to figure out what everybody wants and what we're going to do. And of course we'll be posting the final results once I hear from everybody. And that's it. Thanks for your support on everything. Thank you to Keysight for making this whole thing happen. And moving on.